Most traders clutter their chart with tons of indicators, missing big fluctuations within stock and commodity prices. Today we're going to push that to the side and get into one of the most powerful patterns, the bullish engulfing pattern. Many understand it, only few can truly master it. This is a pattern where if you recognize on the right stock at the right time, it can have a huge reaction. You guys are going to like this one.
Now, the candle structure that you would like to identify to ensure that the pattern is correct is that the previous candle shows a bearish candle with seller momentum, and the candle after that is the engulfing candle, which is typically a strong bullish candle. The body engulfs completely the previous candle, is showing the dominant buyers surging aggressively, and from this candle there is a great chance that these sellers are overwhelmed and then they lose the control that they had on the previous candle, being the previous day on a daily time frame. And in context, this candle structure can lead to some very aggressive movers in a small period of time.
The bullish engulfing candlestick does appear on all trends, uptrends, downtrends, but most notably a downtrend. Of course, step one, downtrend. Markets are moving down. You clearly see we're moving lower. Step two, typically you see a small bearish candle. Also very commonly with these sequence of events, we see the trend starting to weaken up here. Right on this chart, we see a very sharp decline for about 6 days. Then price gets a little bit slower, showing consolidation candles here with large body doji candles. Price then sweeps that low, attempting to move lower, but not with a ton of clear control. Now, step three is when the buyers explode in, engulfing the previous candle, giving the bullish engulfing the name bullish engulfing. When Robinhood IPO'd, you actually rallied about 200% in just 2 weeks before pulling back, melting down all of those gains, going down to about 89% for years. Price consolidated. Started to see a rip to the upside, very strong press getting right back to that level, but then price pulled back. Very sharp retracement from $68 all the way down. This is a point in time where Robinhood has finally gotten that upside from the long term, and you need to put your foot on the gas if you're the buyer here to keep this momentum going. Shortly after the follow, boom, a massive bullish engulfing. Look at the volume profile on that. A nice, clean, full, wide body bar in a really important area. Shortly after the follow, boom, another nice bullish engulfing. This one not as perfect, but still completely engulfed it. Very nice sign. Then we see another bullish engulfing, this one with some small wicks to the bottom and the top, but still completely eating up that last body, showing complete dominance. And shortly after the follow was a massive surge to the upside, soaring all the way from $30 to $150.
High probability conditions can lead to a stronger breakout pattern. Now, where this pattern works best, just like we saw in the previous examples, is when sellers are exhausted, because after tons of selling pressure, sellers start to lose momentum. A bullish engulfing appearing at a position like this shows that the buyers have now taken that control. And of course, being at a key area of interest on the chart can also lead to higher movers being at some important support levels. And from what you'd like to see on these type of moves is higher volume, shows that the buyers have now taken that control. And these fast impulsive moves afterwards can attract attention, leading to more buyers. So confluence is king. Confluence can lead to higher probability setups. The more factors that align, the stronger the setup is. Price seems to be very erratic here on this daily chart. Although once we see this sell-off, lots of swings back and forth, we can see and identify a clear shift in price action, a clear control giveaway into the buyer's favor as we see this bullish engulfing ensue. We can see on the previous day, price had sold off, rejecting right around that 110 level, finding a bit of pressure to the downside. And once we gap down starting this day, we can see that price had gone up, went over the previous day's highs and closed extremely strongly here, showing that dominant bullish engulfing, leading to some very nice continuation, showing you guys that trend shift. Now, this being on the daily time frame has a lot more weight, as larger time frames can show that the bullish engulfing has a bit more power, especially on a chart like this where there wasn't any true control. There were a ton of back and forth over, say, the last month or 2 months, and then we do see, boom, a shift, a very obvious clear shift in control, with the buyers now dominating price action in one single day, making a vast majority of the move they had lost, especially coming off of a sell-off, attempting a dead cat bounce, further move down. This in context shows the power that the buyers were ready to shift the trend and move higher instead of conforming to a larger sell-off motion.
So what this pattern means is that sellers lose control. with that very large explosive bar, dangerous for short sellers to potentially squeeze out their position, but this is going to get new buyers on the sideline wanting to get in. Money on the sideline waiting to see what happens next. That's why very often you see a large trend happen after that, as if price starts to close over that large green bar, then a new uptrend can be had. It's very rare you see a perfect bullish engulfing at the right time, step into play, and did not get that big movement. Tesla stock price has been in this pattern for multiple years at a time. With this descending trend line and the ascending trend line, we're in a pennant structure. Then boom, price sees that massive breakout. We're surging all the way to $500 before price pulls back. Now we're consolidating. This is a very important time frame for the buyers to put their foot on the gas. We're right back at that breakout level where this all started, and then boom, you see that big bullish engulfing exactly when you needed it, as price is consolidating from a huge drop exactly back in that support level where you just broke out. Shortly after the follow was a nice couple squeeze. Price runs up to close to $400, accumulates for another couple months here before heading a lot higher, getting fully back to that $500 level. Now the exact bottom of this downtrend was this very nice bullish engulfing candlestick. That is why the bullish engulfing is a very important sign in charting. We've gone over real world examples of trades that I've personally taken with this pattern. The bullish engulfing is one of the best signs you can see on your stock, period. And when you have the IQ to match that up with the other price action signals, you get a very, very high risk to reward rate. Go ahead and drop a like and a sub down below if you guys found value. Subscribe to my trading partner, Ian. We've been doing this for 6, 7, 8 years working together. We're going to continue to fill out this playlist of the top patterns you need to know. I'll see you in the next episode of the series. Peace.